Hi, welcome back to another video from AutoSolidCreology by the Dallas Cat Boys. Today we're going to be in the piping module. Just wanted to show two different versions of fittings. How you can place a fitting and how you can insert a fitting. Particularly this elbow. So right now I have two different pipe spools, if you will, set up. This first one here is set up using coordinate systems for flange, elbow, and a flange, right? The second one here is only a flange and a flange because this fitting elbow is inserted versus being placed. So let's get to the piping module. Onto the module, piping. So as you can see, this segment here has a start point and an end point. From this flange to that elbow. Same thing with this one. Start point, end point. So over here, we only have one segment, which is a pipe connect. And it just goes same thing. You pick flange to flange, no elbow included. So it is preference. This elbow, this flange is placed on that coordinate system. This flange is placed on that coordinate system. And that's an elbow, not a flange. This flange, I'm sorry, is put on that coordinate system. Now, same thing down here. You have a flange. It's on this flange coordinate system. And you have this flange placed on this flange coordinate system. And we don't have an elbow, but we have an elbow in our pipe spool. So this is called in the piping module the insert fitting. So we're gonna insert above that. Just kind of take it out of there. That's what your first is. So we're gonna go insert fitting, and we're gonna go for corner. You want the corner. When you pick a corner, it knows that's a nice 90. You put your part, that's the part name, elbow 90. It's gonna find it, and it wants a corner. Now you have to have a 90, straight 90. If it's 88 degrees, it's not gonna pick it. So you can go ahead and pick your corner. Either segment line, doesn't matter, it's gonna pick up the corner because it knows it's 90. And so it throws you into this box. You wanna hit your binoculars here. Come here, select your port. It's gonna find it. You accept that. Go back into it one more time. It's gonna find your port number 2. Edit, it's gonna find it. You accept it. It's gonna throw it right there. Done. And there you are. This one uses the coordinate. This one uses insert. But you can still have your pipe solids show. There's a solid. There's a solid. We're going to turn them on. So what if I want these solids over here? What I would do is go into each of these solids and say change reference. Instead of that segment, which is 83, I'm going to come over here and say this segment, I want to change it to that and do OK. It's going to jump there. Same thing with the other. Come here, edit the reference. Instead of this segment 87, you want to come over here and pick this segment. And it's going to pick it. And there you go. So you don't have to create new pipe solids. Just edit your solids, reference, and pick your new segment. So just a quick lesson in insert fittings, whatever your preference is. The insert is going to create you one thing with your pipe connect. If you try to delete that, it's going to want to take the elbow with it. Here, if you delete these, it's not going to want to take your elbow because this elbow is not attached to any of these. It's on the coordinate system. So that may be the best advantage of doing it that way.